Today with me, the TL90 from Neewer. This video is not sponsored by them. I buy my gear. Actually, all my gear from my studio is from my budget. So sometimes it's complicated recording in small spaces. As a filmmakers, always we are trying to check good budget in our tools we can carry very easy. So come with me, check this video, and I hope you like it. I need to be honest, I tried to shoot this in one big table, but not was possible because it's really big. Thank you package, bye bye. Good presentation. Is coming with one bag. It's really nice actually, the bag. Manual, warranty of course. 3 packets, charger. Oh, this is cool. This is really cool. We have 2 grips. Oh, this is also really cool. We have 2 holders that you here is the connection for the charger. Here we have for hold directly in the tripod. For DMX we have in and out in the down part. Something really important about this light, I was looking, the panel is touch, so you can control literally the colors of the lights from this small panel. Let's check. This is cool. We need to unlock, so they say scroll, and here it is, and everything is just with my finger. I'm changing the colors with my finger. So when I start to speak, the light will be changed the colors depending about what preset you are using. It's looking yellow. Okay, now it's white. Now I can see it's white, 5100. What happened? The light comes with a GM. The GM was in 50. What is the GM? I don't have idea what is the GM. So anyways, it's something I need to know. I know. But right now, is you can lock the screen here for don't have accidents. So when you just press this button, this is unlocked, and this is, you see, immediately change. Let's put mode again. There it is, and let's lock. That is locked. The screen is really nice, very sensible for the touch. But well, I don't want to make too long this video. This is our new light. Already we saw what is coming inside. The quality about the light, really strong, really robust, really good quality. It's plastic, but looks good. Really, I'm always trying to check the best quality in my tools for affordable budget, So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope see you soon, and I read you in the comments. Bye bye.